Hello League, it is I, the real Prickly Goo. I would first like to thank Bill, Cruising for a Losing Cruise, for joining me here to talk to you guys before my predictions. Cruiser, I see you decided to ditch the Santa suit and throw on some St. Patty's Day gear. I'm a leprechaun. I'm a leprechaun. I'm a leprechaun. Don't steal my lucky charms. Where am I? Okay weirdo, whatever you say. What happened to your Santa suit? It's at the dry cleaners. After the little kids sat on my lap last week, let's just say it's a little soiled so to speak. Yikes, I'd keep that to yourself. Where did you go to school? Penn State? Anyway, how did that video come out of Mike banging his cat? Very well actually. Let's just say, after I popped that little blue pill, it became a threesome. You're starting to freak me out, man. Anyway, Lucky Bill, what's your take on the rest of the league? Don't call me Lucky Bill. Call me Skill Bill. As for the league, well, Jim's dream team seems to be creaming his jeans. Cruise, was that even English? And what's with the rhymes? I think what you were trying to say was his all-star team blows. There's always next year, commish. Especially after Prickly Goo stuck it to you last week. If Mike Graff spent as much time on his fantasy team as he did playing with his cat, he might actually be better than 2-5 at this point. Now you are getting the hang of this cruise. Well, after Philip Rivers gift wrapped a win for Mike Aney, he seems to be a lock for the playoffs. A lock? You mean like Kevin's jaw? Exactly, Cruise. You know who won't be playing in the postseason this year? Ohio State? Good point. But it also looks like Team D might be headed towards his third last place finish. I love Lamp. Creepy Quan might also be fighting for last in his division, but luckily he has Jim holding down last place. Yeah, he's really dwelling in the cellar. Are you trying to call him a cellar dweller? Hectares, ha 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 ha, worst team ever. I could use a Jack and Coke right about now. Cruise, it's 8 in the morning. Sorry Nick, I just need something to ease the pain from the tampon I shoved up my ass this morning. What? Why would you do that? You know what, forget I even asked. I don't want to know. When are you going to pull off a trade with your farm team, Chris, again? Your team looks like it needs some help this year. Have patience, Cruise. He does have both Eli Manning and RG3 on his team though. Perhaps Brooks might be interested in trading for one of those quarterbacks. He currently only has 2 quarterbacks on his roster, so he could always use another. Hey Nick, I came up with a great nickname for you, me and Anthony. What's that, Cruise? Lord of the Rings. Okay, Cruise, you can be Gollum. And Anthony, Bill Burr doesn't make bye weeks better. Bill Cruise makes bye weeks better. Nick, you forgot to mention everyone. Mr. Charles from the Glory Hole days. I heard he once open-mouth kissed a goat. Yes, he is now banned from petting zoos. Any last words before we cruise on out of here? Yes. Rambone by Vic has a tiny dick. Your mother has performance issues. Buck nuts can't get it up. I'm too sexy for my shirt. You sound like a little bitch with a tiny Johnson. Black Dynamite, although your name would imply a much larger dong, you have a baby dick. D's nuts, your balls are bigger than your tiny pecker. Team D, more like Team sits down to pee cause his wee-wee is too small to stand at the stall. The glory hole unfortunately was not long enough to fit through a glory hole. James can no longer see his little member in the shower. Willie Feeler has a miniature Willie and likes little boys. Wow Bill, you just assaulted everyone's manhood. For the record, I wear magnums. Now onto some real predictions, the way they were meant to be done. Not this one-sentence garbage about how Team X has strong running backs and are favored to win. Let's throw all logic aside for these predictions. I need to poop. Bye.